hello, and welcome back to another episode of Guy Girl Fishing. Today we continue our Crown Lands camping and fishing. We find ourselves today on this smaller little lake. We're going to try this one out. If we're not successful, we do have a larger lake that we will try. And we found an amazing little campsite up here. We'll see you guys out there on the lake.
All right, I'm hooked up.
Oh, it's a little guy right now.
Hey, he's a little guy. Nice. There's bass in here. That's cool. Just a little guy. And they jump just as much. Ow, he wasn't getting off. I got him real good. The last lake though, holy. You put your lure on and they go to, hey, here, stick your finger in my mouth and try to get me. Yeah, right. You get gotten, all right, by your own hook. Maybe there'll be a big fat one up in there. See what happens right in front of these cranberry bushes. Oh. The wind just changed degrees.
The wind just totally changed. That's cool.
That's crazy.
We paid an offering and the wind changed.
Huh? I need a big one. Come on. One little bass. Too small to keep. But a good starter.
This is very shallow, isn't it?
Shallow?
Oh my god. Oh.
You got a little baby bass. That's a good little fingerling. That's good. That's good sights. That's good to know. Well, we'll see what happens. We haven't even explored this lake yet. You need pliers? They're right here. Come on, fish. What do you want? Fish. When do we need them? Now! Let's see what's up in there. What do you think? Wind's blowing hard today, so they... Oh, something hit it. Yeah, I got him on. He's just a little guy. Just a little guy. He's swimming right towards me. Oh yeah. They don't fight really hard in here. That's for sure. They bite like a pickerel in here.
They do.
They're not even like slamming it. They tap tap.
Almost like a catfish.
He was tiny. Yeah, they bite really soft up in here. You got one on? Oh wow, you got a nice one. What do you got going on there? Two? I think you got two fish. Oh, okay. He might be a stringer, eh?
He might be a stringer. Hey, buddy.
Oh, he's pooping on you. You're literally scaring the shit out of him. No, he's just as bad as the other lake. They don't think you get sick. Put your hand on their lip. Yeah, we'll put him on there. Let me just get the... Oh, or do that.
Yeah, I was good at passing it. Oh.
Mom's like, let me the hell out of here. We'll let you go if we get something better, right, bud? Good lord.
My first catch.
All right, we got
Going on a stringer.
3 bass today so far. It's not bad. All right. It's gonna get us. Now the wind's totally changed directions again. Most bass, you know, open up their mouth and allow you to grab them. These guys are like, don't go near my mouth.
No. You're not pushing me.
Don't go near my mouth, man.
You can't even grab the sides. Sometimes I used to grab the sides. I got a pretty good grip, but
There'll be one in here for sure. I don't know how big he'll be, but there'll be one in there. I don't know how big he is. He's got a little bit of a fight. Yeah, he's a little thick. He might be a stringer worthy. Oh, that's the second one I've lost.
damn.
Oh well, it is what it is.
Dragon.
Maybe there's another one in there. She got one on. She just cranks him out of the water. Like, you're coming to mama.
Go.
There you go.
Hello, friend.
Let's see if I get one in here. Oh, I got one on too. Almost, I guess that's technically a double header. He's pulling drag. This one might be a good one, boys. Look at this one's pulling some drag. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Another stringer worthy. That one's probably let her go. He's just at the bottom of the barrel. That's okay. You'll get another big one, don't worry. Was that the Kelly worm? I feel like it's nice little bass.
Another bass.
Alright.
I thought it was a pike. The way that it was going down. That's a good size. You take that. Squeeze her up.
Oh, he's not. He's still on there. Alright, I got one on, ladies. What do we got going on here? I think he's still on. He's either swimming towards me or he's not fighting very hard right now. He's still on. That's just a little guy. Oh no, he's a stringer. Alright. Alright, I'm hooked up again. Oh, this is a nicer, thicker one. He hit it hard too. He's not massive, but did he ever come onto it? He had a solid hook too. He wasn't coming off. Actually, I might let him go. He hit it hard. Alright, we're hooked up again. A good old Lucky Strike coffee spoon. They're all in decent size in here, every one of them. Wow. All good eaters, looks like. Well, all the ones that we're catching anyway. Gotta let it go, bud. There we go. Yeah. There you go, bud. Oh, nice one! She just gives it to me. Here you go. Just take it from me, please.
Oh, it's keeper. You're putting another stringer. Nice. It's not.
He's not a keeper. Nice though. Good job.
You are recording still too.
Well, of course I'm recording. I turned it on. I called you Rafiki. Oh, see that he's charging me. He's charging me.
He's charging you. I can see that he's actually swimming towards the boat.
He fought hard.
That's cool.
Dude, this guy who fought hard, man. This guy was fighting like a 3.5, 4 pounder would fight.
It's a bit of a
Get out of here, bud. Someone thought the bee would come to the conversation. Look at that guy. Nice. He wasn't. He was just a little fart. He wasn't little, but. Shit, you got a fish on.
I thought so.
What the? That's awesome. Look what she had her doing her.
Careful. Come backwards, yeah.
She had her typical way of doing the I forget fishing.
I forget fishing. I picked up my camera, so I was pay attention to you. And just kind of lit my
And we literally just almost had a double header. That's awesome. I'm reeling it in and holding it away from the motor and stuff. I'm like, wait a minute, that feels really weird. And sure enough, she got a nice bass on there. Good job.
Oh no.
What?
I lost a grip tip.
Well, we got lots of them. Don't worry, little lady.
Okay.
Time to get back out there. Do one more loop to the truck and we'll call her a night. Although I like fishing like this. This is fun. Eh? That one, did it ever hit hard though?
Oh, they're so crazy.
They hit really hard in here. I mean, they're not the biggest bass, but they're good eating size. But they hit like stupid hard. Like you think that one I had on, I would have thought that was a 3.5 pounder.
Oh yeah.
The way I had my pole bent right over there, and it's only like maybe a 2 pounder.
Oh, it's insane. I love how they swim back towards you.
Yeah, they charge you they charge every time. They charge the boat like, haha, here he is, rhyming speed. They hit right hard off the side of the weed bed as they've been trolling for a while. it's like they follow it for a long time. They're like, okay, yeah, let's like throw it in 6th gear and smoke this thing. And then just keep it in 6th gear and ram the boat. Wonder if they're all thinking like Finding Nemo. I touched the butt. We doing good, as long as we catching fish.
Does it count if I have a new nickname and it's Rafiki?
Yeah, listen, Rafiki, catch me a fish.
See, we were a bunch of monkeys the other day hanging out on the boat.
We are.
Just messing around and having a good time.
That's right. I'm gonna have this calls for a PC Red Brew. For anybody that likes having a beer, but this is the legal way, not the illegal way. All right. You ready? They're blowing their bass, but we literally almost had a double header. I had a great big blow up.
Because my fingers don't get down that far.
Okay.
Ooh, we got him.
Look at her. She got her. It's a nice size. We literally almost had a double header. I had a big blow up. She caught that one and gave me a spider nest. There we go. That's awesome. Good job. Smile.
Well, it's funny.
Smile. You got a nice fish.
I was just saying that
That's
I was just taking my lure above the top water, just dragging it above, and he asked me, goes, what are you doing? And I'm like, maybe it is going for top water. So I messed over here. Messed around over here and caught that bad boy.
Yeah.
Yay.
She's got another one on.
Turn it on?
Yeah, oh, she's rolling.
Oh!
You lost him.
Let's try again.
Catch me another one. See, the way you got to think about this, lads, is you train your woman to fish. You get to sit back and drink more beer and still fish. And not worry about catching anything, because she's going to catch them all.
You didn't have to teach me to fish. You had to just take me fishing.
Shh.
But yeah, guys, teach your girls how to fish.
All right, here comes a plopper. And we'll see what happens with the ploppy plop. I like the lure, the action of this one. It's got a nice color to it. Oh, did you guys see that blow up? That happens to me all the time. That happens to me all the time. That one hit it hard. Damn. Let's try that again. Maybe he's still sitting there. Oh, I missed him. I missed him again.
Plopper action is the way to go.
Yeah, they're liking the plopper.
Right off the top water.
They like the plopper. Now they're venturing out of their little spots. Let's see if he hits it again. I got him on there now. He's on. He's not a very big guy though, but he's on there. About time. Whoa, why did that get engaged? Alright. Now don't be bouncing around all the time here. Let me get you out of here. There you go. Look at that. You get to go back to what you were doing. As soon as you start flapping and banging around with those hooks, by the way, on this lure are ridiculously sharp. That's alright. But look how this lake just calmed right down, eh? Was it 6 o'clock? Must be. Yeah, we should get rocking, I suppose. I'm just having too much fun, you know? Write in the comments if anybody's ever had their lure messed up and they're reeling it in to get it rechecked. Has anything like big ever smashed your line and like completely annihilated your lure? And possibly broke your line? I've never had a fish hit my lure. There we go. He's on. Never had a fish hit my lure while it was messed up. Nice. They like the top water. Don't you shake and get me hooked, man. These things are sharp. Bro.
Be nice.
Be nice, man. Play nice.
We'll let you go.
At least these guys are staying still for me. Sweet. I said at least these ones are staying still right now. Once I got them by the mouth. The other ones, remember? And what lake was that where they just would not stop moving?
I think the one that we were just camping on. Wasn't that the one?
Was it? Okay, it might have been.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey guys.
Oh, this is not a long video. This is the perfect video. This guy's got some weight to him. He's got some weight to him. And what's nice about this lure is he ain't getting off. Yeah, that we'll swap that guy out for a different guy.
Beautiful.
There we go. Yeah, nice. Oh, I'm gonna eat my priors. I think we're gonna call it quits here. We definitely into the 30 plus bass.
Yes, we did really good on this
I'm gonna
lake.
say probably even more than that.
Okay.
Yeah. It was a rough day. That lake over that direction is crap.
Yeah, we're not gonna hit that one.
Nah, it's a massive lake, and to get only like one bass like this big, like you just seen the amount of fishing we just did in an hour.
This upper lake on a mountain.
Yeah. Like we did way better. So I definitely gonna hit that campsite one of these weekends. Maybe bring Junior up here again. What do you think?
I think we'll definitely be doing that.
Well, on that note, this is a wrap. This was a 2-part mini series.
Yes, it was a 2-part mini-series. And thank all of our new subscribers and all of our subscribers who continue to show up and watch us and continue to come on these adventures with us.
I also want to thank that nice symbol on top of her hat there for helping us out with all the stuff that they offer. You guys make awesome lures. You guys got to check them out.
We definitely like our Lucky Strike.
Peace out.
See you on the next lake.